Okay, what I've done here is I've removed this, I've identified and removed this hokey additional jerry-rigged e-stop, which I believe goes back to the other side of the spindle, that piece of junk little red e-stop. I believe it to be bad. I was getting a open circuit, I believe, on this. I'll test it. And in fact, I could probably do it right here as I'm trying to hold this. No, it's closed. I just don't like the way it was hooked up. It wasn't hooked up the correct way at all. It was actually hooked off of it was tied into number 20, the brown wire here. These are the exact wires that go to that e-stop on the other side of the spindle. And we don't need it. It's not necessary. I've got another one right there by the cabinet. Right there, as you can see, on the NC cabinet. Not necessary. So I restored the original manufacturer's wiring schematic. And this wire here now goes to here on 20, which passes through 20. Goes through this conduit here. And goes down this conduit, over to this conduit, into that e-stop, well over here, which I've got apart. And may as well head over this way. This one here, these e-stops, closed when disengaged. When engaged, e-stop engaged, open circuit, no current can pass through it. Okay, and the drive looks for either a 100 volt or in this case, 50 volt, whatever that potential is. It needs to be on pins 3 and 4 on each one of these drives. Okay, so those are the e-stop. Sensory circuit on the servo amplifier. So I've got 5 of them. XYZ, A and B, which is 4th and 5th axis here. I believe this e-stop was hooked in incorrectly. And we shall see if it'll work now. That is fucking that.